Hey, it's Keith at Deutschland Auto Works. I wanted to tell you about this one car that we get in pretty frequently. It's a 996 911. You see them all over the place. They're still great cars. They come in with all sorts of different mileage. This one in particular, it's beautiful. It's got, only 60,000 miles on it, but a lot of them tend to get these catalytic converter codes come up, and there's two options, or there's multiple options, but one catalytic converter from the dealer is really expensive. So we try to give the customers all the options that they have. Now, the one that this car went with was a Fabspeed Motorsport high flow cat option. We replaced all 4 O2 sensors and both catalytic converters. Now I'm gonna show you an old catalytic converter. It's actually pretty big. If you look at it, I'm gonna grab it. Look how big this thing is. This thing from Porsche is over $2,000, just this one. Fortunately, there's a lot better options, and the one we went with on this ended up about being $2,800 for both. The sound is better, the quality is better, and I think this customer is really gonna love it. Thanks for watching.